everyone, I'm Jacob Stalker, and this is my wife,
Marissa Stalker, and this is
Cooking with the Stalkers!
Today we're going to be making a fun treat, or at least Jacob has assured me that we're making a really fun treat with some yummy ingredients, a nice summer sweet for you and for me. What are we making today, Jacob?
We're making dirt and worms!
Dirt and, like, from the garden?
No, we were just talking about it. It's a sweet treat for the summer.
Oh, right. I remember now. We are calling it dirt and worms, but it's not real wiggly worms with squishy guts and dirty dirt.
No.
No, we're making something else.
Yes, so here are the ingredients. Gummy worms, Oreo cookies, milk, chocolate pudding, Cool Whip, and cups.
We're also going to need a mixing bowl, a Ziploc bag, and
1 measuring cup.
1 cup measuring cup, right?
Oh yeah.
Perfect. So, let's get to work.
Step number 1.
We're going to need to get 2 cups of milk in our mixing bowl. Mr. Jacob, can you help me get the 2 cups of milk?
Perfect. So I'm going to go ahead and open my milk.
Be very careful.
And I have my 1 cup right here.
I want 2 cups of milk.
Here's 1 cup. And here's 2.
Oh, we had just enough. Perfect.
2 cups equals 1 pint.
All right, next we're going to take our chocolate pudding and empty out 1 packet into our bowl of milk. This is what's going to make our dirt. Well, more like our mud.
Ooh. What do we need to stir that with?
Well, a lot of things we stir with a spoon. But because this is a powder and a liquid, we're going to use a whisk.
Wow.
And we're just going to stir it all together. Or whisk it all together. Oh, wow. This pudding is looking good. You want to lick the whisk?
Oh yeah. Wow, that tastes great.
All right, let's put that whisk to the side.
Step number 2.
All right, we're going to take the Cool Whip and empty it into our pudding. Slowly stirring it into our pudding mixture. Wow, look at that. Nice and firm. Giving us that nice ooey gooey mud. My spatula is all dirty. Would you like to lick it?
Oh, good.
I'll take a little lick.
Oh.
Yum. Let's set that to the side.
Step number 3.
All right, we're going to need to get some Oreos. This is where the Ziploc bag comes in. We're going to take our Oreos and we're going to put them in the bag. You can put as many as you think you might like for your dirt. I think that's good. We're going to flatten them out and then we're going to smash them. You can use whatever you like. You got an extra cup, your hands. That
number 4.
Now it's time to assemble our cups. We're going to first start with a spoonful of Oreos for that dirt on the bottom. You might want to do maybe 1.5, depending on how big your cup is. Then you're going to take another spoon and put some mud right on top. We're making some layers like we did too. I'll shake it up just a little, get it evened out. Then you may have guessed it, we're going to do another layer of dirt Oreos. We want to make sure that we've got lots of yumminess in our treat. Oh, there we go. Then, if you could give me another layer of mud. Perfect. Let's just get a little bit more. Alright, I'm going to top this off with one more layer of dirt. It's going to be so awesome. Boom. Okay, good. We're done, right? We've got all of our dirt.
But we're missing step number 5.
Step number 5
is to add our worms.
Oh, we can't have worms and dirt without worms.
I have a bunch of different colored worms.
Wonderful. Let's just stick them on there.
2 and 3.
And we made one for you too, right? I can't wait to eat this sweet treat.
Me too. Let's dig in.
Oh.
Gotta get a worm.
Mm-hmm. Mmm.
That's really good dirt right there.
Oh, yeah. We hope you enjoyed cooking with the Stalkers.
See you in the next one.
Bye.